The drone industry has been holding its breath, waiting for a revolution that fits in the palm of your hand. And finally, the silence has been broken by the roar of the DJI Mini 6 Pro. For years, we thought the sub-250-gram category had reached its physical limits, that physics simply wouldn't allow for larger sensors or more complex cooling systems without crossing that legal threshold. But what we're looking at in 2026 is not just an incremental update. It is a fundamental redesign of what a portable drone can achieve. Imagine standing on a coastal cliff at dawn, the wind whipping against you, and launching a device that weighs no more than a smartphone, yet captures 8K footage with the dynamic range of a professional cinema camera. This is the promise of the Mini 6 Pro, a machine that bridges the gap between casual hobbyists and high-end cinematographers. The leaks have been swirling for months, but the reality is far more impressive than the rumors suggested, featuring a triple threat of battery efficiency, signal stability, and an AI-driven obstacle avoidance system that makes the previous generation look like a toy. The heart of this beast is the all-new 1-inch CMOS sensor, a feat of engineering that many experts claimed was impossible for a drone of this size. By utilizing organic sensor technology and a revised lens structure, DJI has managed to increase light intake by nearly 40% compared to the Mini 4 Pro. This means that blue hour shots, which used to be grainy and washed out, are now crisp, vibrant, and ready for the big screen. When you look at the raw files coming out of this drone, the color science feels deeper, more nuanced, and significantly more flexible in post-production. It's not just about the pixels, it's about the quality of those pixels. We're talking about 10-bit D-Log M and HLG support that allows you to pull detail out of the darkest shadows and the brightest highlights without introducing digital artifacts. For creators who demand perfection, this is the moment the Mini line stopped being the compromised choice and became the primary tool in the kit. But a great camera is useless if the drone can't stay in the air, and the Mini 6 Pro shatters expectations with its new solid-state battery technology. We are looking at a flight time that pushes past the 45-minute mark on a single charge, even in moderate wind conditions. This isn't just a marketing number. This is real-world endurance that allows you to scout a location, set up your shot, and execute multiple passes without the constant anxiety of a low battery warning. The power management system has been completely overhauled to handle the higher processing demands of the 8K encoder and the advanced OcuSync 5.0 transmission system. Speaking of transmission, the stability of the link between the RC Pro 2 and the drone is nothing short of legendary. Even in dense urban environments with massive electromagnetic interference, the feed remains buttery smooth at 1080p/60 fps. Giving you the confidence to fly further and lower than ever before. You can now explore the nooks and crannies of a city or the deep recesses of a canyon with a signal that feels like it's hardwired to your controller. The true magic, however, lies in the sentient obstacle avoidance system. DJI has integrated dedicated AI processing cores that allow the drone to build a real-time 3D map of its surroundings with millimeter precision. It doesn't just stop when it sees a tree. It calculates the most efficient path around it without breaking the flow of your cinematic movement. This makes complex tracking shots, like following a mountain biker through a dense forest or a car drifting around a tight corner, look like they were filmed by a multi-man Hollywood crew. The Active Track 7.0 is so intuitive that it can predict the movement of a subject even if they briefly disappear behind an obstacle, reacquiring the target instantly. This level of autonomy is what separates the Mini 6 Pro from everything else on the market. It allows the pilot to focus entirely on the art of the shot, while the drone handles the physics of the flight.